Another lesson with Evan. This one is going to be a quick video to show you how a real easy way to either make these stair railing batten things or a vertical slat wall. The mythical vertical slat wall that has eluded us for millions of years has been solved. Alright, check this stuff out. Alright, what you do, I'll just quickly draw some stairs in just so I've got something to work off. A bit of stair action. Alright, so we want to make those vertical timber bats. Now, this is the easiest way in the world to do it, right? So we want to do it to this one. Vertical bats. Here we go. It is a magical feature called beam systems. Structure, beam systems. Don't judge it yet. You'll see that it's the best system. Here we go. Beam systems. You click on it. Don't save it because you're a rebel. Okay, you just got to set the plane, which will be the stairs itself. Pick a plane. Boom. Okay, and now we're working on a plane, and you get to just draw. If it's going to be one of those high ones, you can do that. Or say you just need to do even if you just need to do a railing like this, nothing's stopping you doing this, but you wait till you see this work. Here we go. So say you've got that. Now obviously you don't want structural beams there, but this is where the magic happens. So once you click on the beam system over here, you've got the ability to change the spacing. So we'll just change that to say 200. Boom. So now it's looking like something, and obviously we don't want the beam to be a LVL 240, right? You can change it to anything, right? So see it change. Now all we need, see it changing, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. All you need to do is go to a beam, as if you're going to draw a beam in. Whatever beam comes up, just duplicate it. Duplicate the beam. Call it, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Custom beam, stair beam, railing beam. You're only going to, it doesn't matter what it is. It's obviously not going to be a color, a timber color. It's going to be, the material will be white, or you can make it timber, or if it's a feature timber or a painted timber, you just change it there, and then you just change the dimensions of it, and it'll probably be a 50-50. 50-50. And what do we have here? Oh wait, okay, yeah, so I've made the beam, obviously, there it is. There's the beam. We don't want it there, we want it to be part of this. So you just go back to the beam system, click on it, beam type, change it there, look for your little custom beam wherever it is. Oh, did I see it there? Oh, custom beam, click on it, boom. Right, so there's that. They're obviously two, kids could get through that, so it'd probably be 150 distance. And I really don't like with structural framing that we have it as a big fat dash line in 3D view. So all I'll do is just go to VV for view template, find your structural framing. I'll just override in this view just so it looks good, because it'll only be in this view. You won't see it in other views really. Override it and just change the pattern to solid. And they're real thick lines too. I'd probably almost go in there and change the line to a 1 as well. There we go. Now, what's so cool is you get to, if you wanted to change this at any time, make it one of these ones that goes all the way up to the roof. Boom. And now what makes this so special is because they're not customized components like they used to be before. If you change the stairs and you have to move the stairs, like the best thing is, like, see, it just moves with the stairs. And yeah, and the best thing about that too is if I create similar, like say if you had a window on here, like say you needed a slat wall, like one of those feature walls in front of a window, you would just go pick a plane, you'd pick this there, you would make a little beam system. It'd probably be 1200 by like 2100 or whatever it ends up, but yeah, 1800 is good enough. Boom. It's the wrong way, so see how it's going that way, and you would make 150, so it's going that way. You'll just go edit, and just like any beam system, it gives you the option up here called beam direction, and you just click on beam direction, and it's obviously going to be that way. And we now have beams, and you can move it, and justification, I think I can change this. No, I'll leave that there for the time being. And at the moment it's stuck in the wall, which you wouldn't want it to do. You wouldn't want it in the wall, but if you had a window or you had a batten system, like, well, yeah, normally it'd probably be sitting outside here, like as a feature or something, you know. But if you need to make a vertical fence, so can I grab the beam system? Let me grab the system. There it is. So say if you had a fence and you needed to go whoop, now you have a fence. And so yeah, pretty cool. And you've got so much control over that. You can go, the fence can look like this. Like that. So yeah, if you had to do like an arch or something, you'd be okay. Something like, yeah, something like that. Oh, I've still got some lines. Beam direction not specified. Oh, cool. All right, beam direction. We're going up. Boom. So you can make like a nice feature gate or something. Yeah. So you've just got heaps of options. So beam systems, get into it. Woohoo!